Hello everyone, welcome back to the online class of class 10 and we are learning chapter number 11, Human Eye and the Colorful World. So in this part we were learning about the human eye, and in the last videos we learned about the defects caused in the human eye. The one was myopia, in which the person can see the near things clearly, and another was hypermetropia, in which the person can see the far objects clearly. So which is also known as farsightedness. Today we learn the third defect, that is presbyopia. So in presbyopia, the person suffers from both of the, like we can say that in presbyopia the person suffers from almost like both diseases. For example, in presbyopia what happens, the person suffers from both type of diseases, that means myopia and hypermetropia. This occurs mostly due to aging, and what happens due to aging, the power of accommodation of the eye reduces. Means the eye cannot focus on the objects clearly. First of all, what happens? The near point of the eye gradually recedes away, and also the far point also means while looking at the far objects, means the for distinct sight also for long sightedness also the person finds it difficult. That means the person cannot see the near objects also clearly, and also finds it difficult to see the far objects clearly. For this kind of disease, a bifocal lens is used, in which the lens has both the type of glasses. Means the glass, that whole piece of glass may have both the type of lens. That is, it may have the concave lens also, it may have the convex lens also. So due to the weakening of the ciliary muscles, like this is our eye, this is the eye lens here, and the eye lens is present there due to the ciliary muscles. And so due to the weakening of ciliary muscles, and also due to the decreasing flexibility of the lens, what happens, the lens also cannot focus the light rays properly, and also the ciliary muscles cannot change the size, or we can say the focal length of the crystalline lens present inside the eye. So in that person, in that condition, the person suffers from presbyopia. So to correct this, the person is provided with a lens which has both the lenses. Means a separate type of lens or special type of lens is given, in which both the lenses, convex and concave, are present. So this is known as a bifocal lens. So in bifocal lens, the lens somewhat looks like this. So for example, this is the glass, or we can say the specs of the person. So you might have seen sometimes for the old people, there are like, this is the lens or this is the specs. So in this part there is a concave part of the lens, concave mirror lens is present. In the upper part there is the convex. So if we see the lens laterally from side view, we can see like this. Means this is the glass, this part is somewhat like this, and this part is somewhat bulged like this. Means I have shown you the lateral view. So the lower part, which is this one, this is the convex, to see the near objects clearly, to read a book or something like that. And this is the concave part, to see the objects which are far. And laterally, the lens somewhat looks like this. The lower part is a little bit swollen, which works as the convex lens, and the upper part of the lens is a little bit thinner from the middle, which works as the concave lens. So this type of lens is known as a bifocal lens, and it is used to correct the defect of, or we can say the defect of vision known as presbyopia. And nowadays, most of the defects of vision can be corrected by using lens. Means we can say like there are small types of lens which are directly worn onto the eye, onto the eyeball, and for most people these are mainly comfortable, and some use if you don't prefer lens, then you can use specs also. So nowadays there are some surgical improvement also in technology are there. Some of the defects are corrected by using concave or convex lens, and also sometimes surgical interventions are also done. So this much only for today. I suggest you to read the topic from this myopia, hypermetropia and presbyopia. It is present in your book in page number 189 and 190. Thank you.